Hello and welcome to today's little YouTube chat. So happy to have you here. Today we'll be chatting about if you like this yoga here on this YouTube channel. Um, going to let you know how you can come and practice with me live. So if you do not know who I am, hello, my name is Tonya. I am the founder of yogabytonya.com. Anyway, I have a weekly online classes that are live with replays, and those happen here in my home studio. And so they're small classes. Generally, some people will just watch the replays, and others will show up. So generally, we just have two, maybe three people show up, but usually just around two. Sometimes nobody shows up, and that's okay. They're just going to watch the replays. These classes are affordable, and what I like about them is that you don't have to travel to go to them. You don't have to schedule extra time. You don't have to get up earlier or stay up later. You can just have the comforts of being in your home. And these also help with consistency. So if you're building, especially your home practice, it's nice to have this option of practicing at home live because the live classes are going to help you be consistent, help you build a disciplined practice. Oftentimes because I have to pay for that, it means that I'm going more likely to show up versus if I just have it scheduled and I'm trying to figure it out on my own, I'm less likely to stay consistent. And I found while attending live classes from somebody else's classes that it helps me to build a really strong home practice, something that I was very consistent with and am consistent with. So those are some of the benefits. Also, you can practice at home without any of the pressure that you might feel, or um, you're kind of more comfortable in your home space. These classes are good if you're just starting out. I offer a lot of modifications and different options for classes. So I have a slow flow, I have therapeutic classes. I also have some power thrown in there. And generally, I just design these classes for those who are in my membership. Yeah, so right now I have people who are asking for more therapeutic classes. So I teach those on Tuesday afternoon. And Monday is more of a slower class. And Wednesday here lately has been more of a general or traditional vinyasa class, I guess you could say. I think that's important to add with the slower and the therapeutic classes, just to put some load on these tissues that we've been working with to build a little bit of strength and to add some movement. And so, yeah, so please go ahead and go check those out. And if you enjoyed practicing with me here on this YouTube channel, come join my online membership. We practice together live every week, like I said, and you get replays when life gets too busy. Thanks so much.